It is important to have an option for users to unsubscribe from your feed because it's quite possible that some will get annoyed. I don't think there's a chance. For this, we'll create a block to unsubscribe. At the moment, users already can unsubscribe in the Rocket News block itself, but let's also add another one which shows all the subscriptions a user has. Let's add a subscriptions block and let's add the subscriptions list plugin. Okay, we now need to tell the plugin what happens if the user has no subscriptions. So let's also create another block and call it no subscriptions. And let's also add the buttons we use in onboarding. And another one. Okay, now let's link this block to our subscriptions plugin, to our subscriptions list plugin. Now, if this plugin gets triggered, it will show the user what they are subscribed to, and if they are not subscribed to anything, it will just show the no subscriptions block instead. We don't want to add this to the menu right now, but let's create an AI rule for this. So let's go here, add a rule. And then let's say I want to unsubscribe. Show my subscriptions. Unsubscribe. Unsubscribe me. And stop sending me news. Actually, let's move this stop to here, because you're more likely to say stop to annoying messages than you're saying stop to say goodbye. And then let's use block subscriptions. Here we go. And that's it.
Okay, I'm subscribed at the moment, so let's try unsubscribe. And here are my subscriptions. It's only the Rocket News at the moment. We can now show stories, which shows the latest additions to our newsfeed. And we can obviously unsubscribe. Great. Now I'm unsubscribed, so let's try to unsubscribe again. Stop sending me news. You're being annoying. So now our other message will be triggered. You don't have any subscriptions yet. Do you want to subscribe to the CF Rocket News? Yeah, sure. Let's subscribe again. Awesome. And now we're back at the menu.